boys. So 12 Days of Calculus by me. On the first day of calculus, my true love gave to me the multiplicative identity. It's the one that says if you multiply anything by 1, it gives you that number. Okay, cool. On the second day of calculus, my true love gave to me the number of bounds on a definite integral and the limit of sine x over x as x goes to 0. On the third day of calculus, my true love gave to me the number of regular trig functions, the only even prime, and any other number to the power of 0. On the fourth day of calculus, my true love gave to me the number of rules we have for finding derivatives. The derivative of 3x, unless you're Sabrina, the highest number that is its own factorial, and cosine squared of x plus sine squared of x. On the fifth day of calculus, my true love gave to me 5 students that make Mrs. Dixon want to quit her job. The number of faces on a triangular pyramid, the number of zeros on a period of sine, the number of points that it takes to define a circle, and a half plus a fourth plus an eighth plus a 16th and so on, almost. On the sixth day of calculus, my true love gave to me the number of regular trig functions and their reciprocals, the length of the hypotenuse of this Pythagorean triple, the degree of the polynomial resulting from taking the derivative of a degree 5 function, the divisor of Sierpinski's triangle, the derivative that gives you acceleration, and the absolute value of e to the I pi. On the seventh day of calculus, my true love gave to me the number of students it takes to have a calculus class, the atomic number for carbon, 5 golden ratio-producing quartic polynomials, the number of symmetries in a square, the time it takes for grocery store employees to restock the grocery store, the number of people credited from the invention of calculus, and the number where it's the base of the logarithm is undefined. On the 8th day of calculus, my true love gave to me, my throat's really dry, the highest number that is its own cube, a perfect cube, and also a Fibonacci number, a root of this polynomial that I made up, the first even triangular number, 5 platonic solids, the number of years you've been in high school, get out of here, Miranda, the derivative that determines jerk, the divisor of even numbers, and a really important aspect of binary. On the 9th day of calculus, my true love gave to me the antiderivative of this x to the 8th thing I made up, the number of notes in a C major scale, the number of hours I've been working on this godforsaken project, the first perfect number, which is the sum of factors equals the number itself, the number of days in a week of school, the number of rectangles in this Riemann sum, the number of times the derivative of this function equals 0, the number of times the period of cosine equals 1, and 0.9 repeating equals 1. On the 10th day of calculus, my true love gave to me the base of our decimal system, the German word for no, 1 less than 9, the degree of this polynomial I made up, the number of chapters you have in a calculus class, the score we all want to get on the AP exam, the dimension of space-time, the number of days we have left of school, the number of pairs in a pair of pairs, and the number of songs that totally aren't even about calculus anymore. On the 11th day of calculus, my true love gave to me the month and a date of Poland's Independence Day, the number of fingers on my hands, the number of planets in our solar system. Pluto's not a planet, shut up. The number that you can do that really cool multiplication thing with. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Okay. The most common lucky number. The number of faces on a cube. The number of theorems we talked about in calculus class. That's some calculus. The number of regular math operations. I don't even know what I'm singing anymore. Pi, almost. And the number of components in imaginary form. And the number of teachers that make learning calculus fun. Which I haven't A yet. On the 12th day of calculus, my true love gave to me the number of notes in a 12-tone row, the number of potatoes I can't find the stupid internal temperature of, the number of times Jacob's corrected Mrs. Dixon this week, the number of times Christy's caught in class the last 5 minutes, the number of times Lois has laughed at absolutely nothing for 10 minutes straight, the number of times Sabrina's walked in late with McDonald's, the number of times Kyler's complained about something completely irrelevant. The total number of things that Miranda has said on the first composite number. The number of notes in a triad. The number of times I've crashed my car this year. And the score that I'm gonna get on my AP exam.